SEOscience.com.
Video at the moment in certain areas is really important and really useful, because you're saying to Google, hey, we know everyone doesn't like reading. We know some people just like to watch video. So we're doing both. We've embedded a video in this article, and if people haven't got the time to read the article, they can just watch the video. It, it it's as simple as that. You're earning Google's trust because you are listening to what the readers want and trying your best to give the user the best experience possible. Page speed, again, this person cares about their website. They've made sure that the speed of their website is incredibly fast so that the user has a nice experience with it. So from Google's perspective, they're like, okay, in that case, we'll show it to more people. It does all come down to trust. Like it's about getting Google to trust your website enough to show it to as many people as possible. But it can be hard sometimes to kind of engineer that trust when there are so many other competitors in the field. It's not just a case of, oh, Google, I would love you to trust my website more to show it to more people. I would love you to trust my website more than my competitors. And that is what the difficult part of SEO is. It's not just saying to Google, look, show me to more people. It's saying, show me to people instead of these people over here, And that's where it's like you said earlier, that's like where the game comes in. And it's like, well, what have my clients got here? And clients, what have my competitors got here? Okay, I need to beat this. This is my, who's number one? This is what I need to beat in terms of content. What links have they got? How powerful is the link profile? How fast is their website? Do they have videos? If not, there's an opportunity. That is what trust essentially is. And like people it gets too kind of, I don't know the word, like you overthink it. You can overthink trust, but the reality is it is actually quite simple. It just gets blown up when you're looking at so many competitors and people are doing different things, and nothing is true in two places either. With like, I don't know, you might find that there is a brilliant website, great videos, great content, and that can just get completely outranked by a well-written, well-structured article that's fast, just because Google likes that over the one with video in. So it can be really frustrating sometimes when you feel like you're ticking all of the boxes, but they're still not like putting you where you feel like you should be.